The BeHear SMARTO is a customizable hearing amplifier that is supplied with everything you need to hear better, no matter where you are. It amplifies important sounds in live conversations, mobile and internet phone calls, video calls, TV programs, and audio play. In this video, we open up the box and see what's inside. The first thing you will see is the colorful and helpful Getting Started guide. It contains everything you need to know to start using the SMARTO device quickly and easily. Next, you will find the SMARTO device itself, which you connect to one of the two supplied headset types. The first type is the over-the-ear headset. In this smaller box, you will find the following items: extra foam ear covers for the over-ear headset, the second style of headset, and in-ear device, spare earbuds for the in-ear headset in varying sizes, a micro USB charging cable to attach to the supplied charging cradle or directly to a USB port or adapter, a lanyard with a quick release safety feature to allow you to wear the SMARTO comfortably around your neck. Last of all, this smaller box contains the charging cradle. The SMARTO slides into it easily, and the micro USB cable attaches to this charging port on the back side. And there you have it.